Raya's Bedtime Stories. Raya and the Last Dragon. Long ago, in the magical land of Kumandra, humans and dragons lived in perfect harmony. The dragons, with their kindness and magic, protected the land. But one day, a dark and destructive force called the Drone appeared, spreading chaos and turning anyone it touched into stone. To save humanity, the dragons combined their magic into a single gem to banish the Drone. While the plan worked, the dragons sacrificed themselves, leaving behind only the gem to protect the world. Over time, Kumandra fractured into 5 tribes: Heart, Fang, Spine, Talon, and Tail. Distrust and envy grew among the tribes, and the dragon gem became a symbol of division instead of unity. Chief Benja of Heart believed that Kumandra could be whole again, but his dream was met with resistance. One day, during a gathering meant to foster peace, the gem was shattered, and the drone were unleashed once more. The chaos turned many, including Chief Benja, into stone. Before his final moments, he handed a piece of the gem to his daughter, Raya, urging her to find the last dragon and save Kumandra. For 6 years, Raya searched for Sisu, the last dragon. When she finally found her, Raya was surprised by Sisu's playful and light-hearted personality. "You're the last dragon. I was expecting someone a bit fiercer," Raya said skeptically. Sisu replied with a grin, "Hey, I may not look it, but I've got some serious dragon mojo. Now, let's fix this gem." Sisu explained that each piece of the shattered gem held a fragment of her siblings' powers. Together, they began their journey to recover the remaining pieces. Along the way, they made new allies, including Baun, a clever boy, Tong, a fierce but kind warrior, and Little Noi, a mischievous baby with her band of Anjas. Each ally had suffered loss because of the drone and shared the same hope of restoring Kumandra. As they collected the gem pieces, Sisu regained her siblings' powers, like creating mist and summoning rain. Despite their progress, Raya struggled with trust, particularly when it came to Namari, the warrior princess from Fang who had betrayed her in the past. "You have to take the first step, Raya," Sisu said gently. "Trust is hard, but it's the only way to bring people together." Eventually, they confronted Namari to recover the final gem piece. Raya tried to put her faith in Namari, offering her the chance to unite Kumandra. However, tensions flared, and a tragic accident resulted in Sisu's death. Devastated, Raya felt consumed by anger and blame, but Sisu's words about trust echoed in her mind. With a deep breath, Raya made the first move, handing her gem piece to Namari. "I'm trusting you," she said. "Please, do the right thing." Namari, inspired by Raya's courage, took the gem piece and worked with Raya and her allies to reassemble the gem. As the gem was restored, its magic banished the drone and brought back everyone who had been turned to stone. Rain fell across Kumandra, and life returned to the land. The dragons, who had sacrificed themselves long ago, reappeared, including Sisu. "Miss me?" Sisu said with a playful grin. Raya reunited with her father, who embraced her with pride. The people of Kumandra, once divided, came together to rebuild their land, sharing food, laughter, and hope. Raya and her friends had proven that trust and unity could overcome even the greatest challenges. And that's how Kumandra was saved. It wasn't easy, and I didn't always make the right choices. But I learned that trust, even when it feels impossible, is what truly brings people together. So, no matter what challenges you face, remember, we're stronger together. Morals of the story. 1. Trust is the foundation of unity. True peace comes when we take the first step to trust one another. 2. Strength in diversity. Working together and valuing each other's strengths lead to success. 3. Courage in adversity. Even in the darkest times, bravery and hope can guide us forward. 4. The power of forgiveness. Letting go of anger and embracing forgiveness can heal wounds and unite people. What about you? Have you ever had to trust someone even when it was hard? Share your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Raya's Bedtime Stories, and hit the notification bell so we can go on more adventures together. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.